Hi guys, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be exploring the world of crypto, especially what you should do when a new coin is about to be listed, like the upcoming DOGS token. I'll be breaking down the strategy to potentially maximize your profits. So let's get started. So we'll be talking about the DOGS token, the new project from the mastermind behind Telegram, that is Pavel Durov. This coin has a serious potential, and with the hot season on the horizon, it's a no-brainer to consider. Now the big question is, what do you do when DOGS get listed? So guys, here comes my strategy. You sell 50% at the start. This might sound counterintuitive, but hear me out. When a new coin lists, there is often an initial pump followed by a correction. By selling half of your holdings at the start, you are securing some profit and protecting yourself from potential losses. And don't forget, you have to wait for the correction. After the initial pump, the price usually dips. This is a great opportunity for you to accumulate more coins if you believe in the project. That is, you buy more of these tokens once you experience a dip. This is always the correction phase. And also guys, you need to capitalize on the rise. Here is it. If the coin is promising as it seems, an alt season is likely coming. When the price starts climbing again, this is the right time for you to sell your remaining 50%. This strategy is not a financial advice, but it's a plan that has worked for me in the past. So remember to do your research before making investment decisions. And so guys, I always drop updates on what to note and what to do when a new coin just like this is coming up or already in the market. So if you want to stay updated, I'll be leaving a link to my Telegram channel. Feel free to join my Telegram channel and stay updated with the latest trend in the crypto space. And that's it for today's video guys. If you like this video so far, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create amazing and informative video just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon, and see you in my next video.